Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a new device for speakers in your Windows PC. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your Windows settings by just selecting the buttons of Windows plus I, and after that you guys will get on this window. Now select on the sound option, and now in the output category you guys can see this option right here which is called pair a new output device, and now you just need to select on this add device button. And now you guys can see there are multiple options to connect the device to your Windows PC by Bluetooth, by wireless display or dock, or by everything else. So you guys just need to select one of these, and after that you guys will get connected with your new device for the speakers in your Windows PC. So that's how you guys do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your friends and family, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.